好啦，咁啊又到日日都咁講，我哋又見面啦喎。我係 Coach Norman。好，咁啊今日咧係日日都咁講嘅第7堂課。咁今日第7堂課咧就講下美國嘅入籍喎。咁美國嘅入籍咧係過多人咧，好多喺度居民住咗好耐，或者住夠5年，甚至配偶住夠3年咧都想去做嘅事。咁期待已久。首先咧第一部分咧我就講下，咁佢要填一張 N400嘅申請表嘅。呢個 N400咧係關於你嘅個人呢個家境狀況㗎。咁同時咧嗰個移民嘅面試官咧，唔係移民官，係嗰個入籍面試官咧，就會問你一啲問題。好，我簡單就講下呢啲問題啦。咁個面試官根據你嘅 N400表咧，就會問你When did you become a permanent resident? When did you become a permanent resident? 你幾時成為咗一個永久嘅居民呢？咁 permanent resident，permanent 咧就係永久嘅意思，resident 咧就係居民嘅意思。咁所以永久居民咧就係我哋講嘅綠卡啦 ，green card 嘅居民。咁 when when 咧就係幾時你成為永久居民嘅咧咁樣。咁你可能會答 I became a permanent resident in 2021. I became a permanent resident in 2021. become 呢個詞咧就成為嘅意思，但係 became 咧就係過去式啦，因為你2021年 2021 20就20啦，再加個21就2021 2021咧已經成為咗永久居民咯，所以咧就 became 啦。咁你嘅答法就係 I became a permanent resident in 2021。好啦，咁佢就可能會問喎，I lived，where did you live before moving here? Where did you live before moving here? 咁咧，你以前喺邊度居住啊？咁而家你係講喺美國，咁你就答 I lived in California before I moved to New York City. I lived in California before I moved to New York City. live 就係喺邊度住啦 ，lived 就係 lived 加個 d 咧 ，lived 咧就係住過。我係住過加州咁我先搬嚟呢度嘅住過加利福尼亞州 California 所以你嘅答案係 I lived in California before I moved to New York City。咁你答移民個入籍官係越簡單越好噶啦佢問你再問你咯問你關於工作啦。How long have you worked at your current job? How long have you worked at your current job? work 咁work 咧就係講工作 work worked 因為你之前做咗幾耐嘢所以佢仲要加個 ed 啦。At your current job，current 就係而家咁解，現在嘅工作咁即係話你目前喺你個公司做咗幾耐I have worked at Walmart for 3 years. I have worked at Walmart for 3 years. 我喺沃爾瑪做咗3年工做到現在㗎。I have worked 正在做緊，同埋已經做咗 3 years。1、2、3個3 3年工 3 years 就幾多年啦？咁呢個咧，佢又會問下你第二啲問題啦。咁例如咧就係 Who is the US president? The first, right？ 第一個美國總統係邊個咁當然美國總統佢緊要問㗎啦。 咁美國嘅首任總統係邊個啊？係 George Washington。George Washington。George 就係喬治咁解 ，Washington 就係華盛頓。So the first president of United States is George Washington。咁你就會答咗佢啦。好啦，今日好快就做個加01俾你。咁所以呢，正話講過啦，呢個加01都係再提一次。個美國公民嘅入籍申請表個表格咧就叫 N400，N for Nancy 唔係 M 係 N400，佢叫做 Application for Naturalization。呢啲長啲咧，你唔使太注意啦。Application 就申請表 ，Naturalization 咧就歸化成為唔係綠卡，係歸化成為美國公民咁咧就係 N400 form 咁呢個申請就當然要有一個歸化官去審核啦。咁佢嘅又分上網上申請同埋用紙張申請。咁網上申請嘅費用咧目前咧就710蚊，就通過電腦申請嘅online application。online 即係話電腦連線申請。咁如果紙張申請咧就要郵寄嘅 by mail。by mail 貴啲喎，係760蚊。咁所以呢啲咧都係嘅基本知識咁咧，所以又平又快就 online 啦。咁你就要學或者應用電腦啦。咁郵寄咧就用紙嚟填㗎咁你個資格係 eligibility 點樣資格先合格去申請嘅公民身份咧？咁就要年滿18歲。18 years old，18 years old，18歲，咁你先至可以申請啦。咁至於住滿幾年咧，就睇下你係住咗幾多年如果係婚姻嘅配偶咧，最短係同美國公民結婚咧，住滿3年就得咯喎。其他咧就一般要住滿5年或者以上啦。咁所以咧呢啲都係基本知識。好，今日講到此為止日日都咁講咩英文，我係 Coach Norman。如果啱用咧，就同人哋分享，同埋咧撳下個鐘仔，同埋咧或者係 subscribe 我啦，即係話訂閱，咁我哋有新片出咧，你就會睇到啦。好，多謝各位，再見。